I bet you didn't know your nails could grow this fast. But with these tips, you'll be flaunting fabulous nails in no time. Tip 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water because dry nails are brittle nails. Keep those nail beds nice and moist. Tip 2. Biotin is your best friend. This wonder vitamin boosts nail growth like magic. You can find it in supplements or foods like eggs and nuts. Snack on, my friends. Tip 3. File them the right way. Skip the sawing motion and go in one direction. Treat your nails like fine china, not a DIY project. Tip 4. Moisturize more often. Use cuticle oil or hand cream regularly. Happy cuticles, happy nails. Tip 5. Avoid the acetone. Acetone-based polish removers are nail growth enemies. Opt for gentler, acetone-free alternatives. Tip 6. Give your nails a breather. Let them go au natural between manicures. Your nails need some air too. Tip 7. Wear gloves when cleaning. Harsh chemicals can stunt nail growth. Protect those precious nails. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and watch your nails grow like never before. Time to flaunt those fabulous fingers. Done said.